already did one. We're gonna do the rest of today. And we also already took this out. We're gonna put the cam today. And if I get a chance, I'll probably ended up painting the engine too. I was gonna take it to the machine shop, but I don't need to take it to the machine shop. The engine, it looks good. I already got the flex plate loose. I'm gonna take this out so I can put the cam and the oil pump. All right, let me show you guys real quick how to do it. I want to see one thing. All right, down. Go. We want to spray some WD-40 on it. Then we're gonna use this right here. We're gonna clean it. We gotta do it fast though. Do it fast. You wanna check on it? One more time. We're gonna clean, see how it looks. Oh, let me get a new rack. That's what we want right there. That's what we want right there. That's what we want. Okay. Alright, did one side already. One side already done. One side already done. One side already done. I'm gonna do the other side now. This is how it's looking so far. You see? Okay. Did one side. Going to do the other side now. Going to do this side right here. Now. Alright. Be right back with you guys right now. Don't judge me, guys. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a mechanic, but I know what I'm doing. So far. Yeah, sometimes I got a car, Killer Racing. Yeah, that's the best shop here in Miami. You should call them boys right there. They know what they're doing. And for parts, you already know, James. But I'm gonna do makeover at the engine. Makeover as the engine to solve. Alright guys, so now I gotta remove the one I got on the engine, the timing chains I got on the engine, so I can put the brand new one, this one. And I also got the oil pump. Let's see, bear with me. I'm only using one hand. The oil pump right here. Okay, this one. Oil pump. This one we're gonna be using. And this is the can from Texas Speed. Let's get it. Can. Hold on. Shit. Ooh, boy. I'll be starting this one. Alright, so I'll get back at y'all in a minute. Vamos a darle bien The reason why I stopped is because I had to go to Addison and get this. I gotta get me some stuff, man. I need some stuff. And now we're gonna install this right here, the gear, con el dock para arriba, para que esté tiempo, el time. Vamos a darle ahí, y entonces ponemos esto. Ahí, pero ahora hay que meterlo para atrás. How are we gonna do it? This. Entonces, tenemos que coger el otro. Espérame. Tenemos que coger. Creo que es. Estamos activos. Sí. We came back at it. Out. We're gonna take the cam out. Estamos ahí en el minuto cero y en el minuto cero. Estamos activos. Estamos activos. You did good. You gotta stay. Estamos bien. Alright, so this right here, I don't need that. Okay, this is what I'm doing right now. This was the biggest mistake when I did my first LS swap. This was my biggest mistake. I didn't do none of this. I was supposed to do all this right here, and I didn't do none of this because I didn't know about it. Now I know about it, so I'm being about it. Who's side? Like I said, I'm not a mechanic. I just watch a lot of videos. That's what I do. And I do a lot of hands-on. That's all. Alright, so now we're gonna twist it. We're gonna get the cam out. We're gonna put the big cam on it. Right? We're gonna twist it. There you go. There you go. Come on, baby. You're giving birds right now. Okay. Uh-oh. Let's stop. We gotta stop on this, baby. Let's get it. Be like that, baby. Let's get to it. I think it's hitting one of the bearings, the cam bearings in the back. Oh. Doesn't want to get to me, guys. I think. Oh shit, that big guy nigga. I'm about to change the bearings on this shit. Wow. Bearings on. Not bad though. Bearings are not bad. Why doesn't want to get to me? Why? Okay, I got bad news. Bad news. Pow! Bad news. Y'all see that right there? That's a cam bearing right there. No wonder I was twisting the cam. I'm like, why this thing doesn't want to come out? And when I took the blue tape that I had there, and I started looking where I was twisting, and I saw one of the cam bearing right there. So nothing. I'm gonna take it apart. I gotta take all the pistons out and everything completely out. Everything out completely now. For real. Now I gotta take everything apart. I gotta take everything apart now. Oh wow. Yeah. Gotta take everything apart now completely. Disassemble the whole engine completely. And that's it. Find me the cam bearings so I can put them in. And nothing. We're gonna end that up right here because I don't have the cam bearings. I'm gonna have to order those or not go to race fitting, see if they got those right there. But for now, thank you for watching. I'm gonna upload another video as soon as I can. Tomorrow morning I gotta go pick up the heads for it. They're almost done. I went today. I popped by the machine shop today. They're almost done with the heads, so I'm gonna get it tomorrow. And probably Sunday, I'm gonna get back at this right here to see if I finish it, so I can start taking the other engine, the 5.3 I got on my car, the S10, out, so I can put the 6.0. For now, I'm gonna end it up right here. Thank you for watching.